Dean's List with Janice Dean.
A man who found a diamond ring on the beach in Florida and was able to get it back to its owner makes today's Dean's List. Joseph Cook found the ring worth over $40,000 while he was using a metal detector to find possible treasure. After realizing how much the ring was worth, he posted a video on his social media, all the local jewelry stores looking for people who may have lost a ring. 2 weeks later, he got a call from an unknown number. It turned out to be a couple from nearby Jacksonville. They did a FaceTime call and the wife was in tears, so grateful that someone had found the ring. Joseph met up with them and happily returned it. Joseph says this past year he's been able to return other valuable items from the beach to their owners. He says, karma's good. Every time I return an item, I find something better. So I'm happy I could give the ring back. Joseph, you are an amazing human. You made today's Dean's List. Janice Dean, Fox News.
To look back on it now and go, what on earth happened?
You hear that? That is the sound of hearts breaking all around the world.
She's becoming a royal rock star.
Everything changed. There's a hierarchy of the family. King, but there's also planting of stories.
There was a war against Meghan to suit other people's genders.
It's about hatred. It's about race. It's a dirty game. Pain and suffering of marrying into this institution, this feeding frenzy.
I realized they're never going to protect you.
I was terrified. I didn't want history to repeat itself.
So that's Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. That's the trailer for the special that's out now. I've been devoting a lot of time to this because there are people listening to this show. Most of you get it. Okay, America is a place you bust your ass, you make a good life for yourself. You don't want anybody to hand you anything. These two people have been handed everything.
Oh boy. It's so hard to do. Funny, I do live here, so truckers, truckers really need to learn how to fucking drive like they used to. Fucking ridiculous have to deal with truckers. They park on the damn sidewalk, being completely whatever. Oh boy, it's a nightmare here. I'm sorry, but I live here. I'm not fucking parking in a different neighborhood. No way.